Hello social media friends, I am Jitsi Vasquez with DRB Media Communications Digital News, and Dani Barrera has the story.
The Ector County Commissioners engaged in a workshop focused on the design of the proposed new Ector County Courthouse building project that will be located downtown between 2nd and 3rd Streets on Texas Street and also east of Texas Street.
We wanted to have this workshop mainly because there was a lot of misinformation. There were a lot of things that were being said, but yet it wasn't being said to everybody that needed to hear it. And so we want to make sure there's not a bunch of crosstalk or a lot of misinformation out there. We want to make sure everybody that is as they say, stakeholder, has enough information to make decisions, but also to weigh in on certain ideas maybe, so that we can develop this thing into something that's going to be very sound. I want to make sure that everything's thought out, and I think we all have that same goal. And as long as we collaborate all of our ideas, then we're going to have a better plan going forward and a really good design too.
Design, Build, Services, and Specifications, along with Parker Hill, presented information to the Ector County Judge Dustin Fawcett and the Ector County Commissioners on the building infrastructure, including offices, courtrooms, and estimated project costs of the new courthouse building project.
Our plans are for the current post office location right off of 2nd Street and Texas. We are still working with the federal government and also with some private partners on locating them a new facility in the downtown area. We have finally had a great conversation with the USPS facilities director up in DC about what exactly they need in a new facility, what is the radius that they consider downtown Odessa, what size facility for the retail, and then they also service all of their fleet back there. And so it's a unique location qualifications. That is still the target goal, is the post office. We're going to have some backup plans in case that either doesn't fit within our timeline or some other issues arise. But now it becomes working with Congressman Pfluger, Senator Cruz, and Senator Cornyn, and their offices are all aware of our needs, and it'll be working with them to try to relocate the facility.
Prior to the workshop session, an agenda item that the Ector County Commissioners Court addressed in executive session, then voted on unanimously in public session, was the termination of Ector County Human Resources Director Roger Primera. For DRB Media Communications Digital News, Dani Barrera.
Thank you for following us on Facebook, X, formerly Twitter, Instagram, and on YouTube. Visit our website, DRB Media Communications Digital News.tv. For DRB Media Communications Digital News, I'm Jitsi Vasquez.